Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Edge browser search engine. And in today's video, I will show you on how to search for different file types in search engine with Microsoft Edge browser. Let me show you how. Like for instance, we want to make sure we come to the address bar right here. And having come to the address bar, let's say for instance, we are looking for digital marketing. Okay, so what type of file format we are looking for this particular digital marketing right here? So we can go ahead and type in file type, just like so. Next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and add colon. So we can decide to add PDF and hit enter. And in a few seconds, we are going to see so many results as far as this is concerned. So right here, the more you scroll down, the more you see some of the file formats. You can see this one here is PDF file format. And then you come here, you see another one right here. This is another PDF file format. This is another PDF file format. Every result right here come in PDF file format. Let's say you are looking for docs format. Just come to the top right here. You can change this to docs as the case may be. DOCX and hit enter. Then you're going to get the results based on docs, just like what you see right here. So you can see. So you can scroll down right here. Every result you see here are going to give you docs format. Then you can come down below right and click on next. This will take you to the next page right here. So like for instance, if you are interested to get docs format for this type of file right here, go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to load into a new paragraph right here, just like so, and it has been successfully opened up right here. You can decide to open or save as or save right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save as. So once you click on save as, this is going to come up. Then you can see it is Microsoft Word right here. Then go ahead and hit on save, and then you are done. Let's go back to search right here. Let's say you need this file to PowerPoint. Come back to that point, this point right there, and go ahead and change to PowerPoint PPT. That is for PowerPoint. Hit enter, and then you are going to see a lot of results right here. You can see PPT right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all relevant file. You can click on next to page 2 right here, and it takes you to another page right here. So if you're interested in getting any of the file right here, go ahead and click on the result, and it's going to redirect you whereby you need to download the file. So you can see the file is being open right here as PPT right here. So what you need to do next is to go ahead and click on download right here, and the file has been opened up right here. Go ahead and click on save as. Then you can see it's going to be PowerPoint presentation on Microsoft. Go ahead and hit on save, and the file has been successfully saved right here. So let's go back to our search right here. So let's say we want to change the file format to another format like Excel. So go ahead and enter Excel right here and hit enter. Then you have them right here. There are a lot of things. Then you can see, move to the next page right here. There are a lot of pages right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different pages right here. So if you want to download any of them right here, go ahead and click on the link, and it's going to redirect you to where you want to load right here. So you can see this is Microsoft Excel file right here. So just like so, then we can go ahead and we have opened your file for quick, easy review, and then etc. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on download file, and go ahead and click on save as, and the file is going to be successfully saved as. You can see the format right here. Go ahead and click on save, and then you have the file being saved successfully. You can use this method to get any different kind of file format in Microsoft Edge search. You can also search from the particular website and use this keyword to search for any type of file format you are looking for on the internet with Microsoft Edge. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use Microsoft Edge browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.